I want to show you how I created my very first digital product, an ebook that has so far made me $13,900. And what makes this crazy is that when I created it, I was a complete beginner. I had no experience selling digital products, and I only had 500 subscribers on YouTube. Honestly, I didn't even expect it to do well because, like most beginners, I spent hours watching YouTube videos about digital products, but most of them didn't help me because first, I didn't really know what I was doing and everything felt overwhelming. Second, most of these videos were created by big creators, people with thousands, sometimes of hundreds of thousands of subscribers. So the advice sounded good, but it didn't feel realistic for someone like me. Still, somehow that ebook has become my most successful digital product. And that's what pushed me to start creating content around how small channels, even with less than 1,000 subscribers, can actually make money online using digital products. So if you are a small creator and you've been wondering whether monetizing your channel is even possible, especially with digital products, this video is for you. Make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to break down how you come up with profitable digital ideas, how to actually create the product, where to sell it, and how to market it without needing a big audience. Let's get into it. And I'll start with how to come up with profitable digital product idea. This part is extremely important because it will determine if your digital product will make money or completely fail. A profitable digital product idea should solve a real problem, one people are actively searching for and are willing to pay to fix. Here is what I want you to do. Take a piece of paper and write down 5 problems your audience struggle with. Let me give you an example. If you are in the fitness niche, yes, people want to lose weight, but that's too broad. Instead, make it more specific. For example, how to lose postpartum belly fat without exercise in 30 days. Do you see the difference? That title speaks directly to a specific audience, new moms, a specific problem, belly fat after childbirth, and it has a clear timeline, 30 days. Now, the right person is going to feel like, wow, I've been seen. They might think like, wow, I've been struggling with this for years and you're telling me there's a way I can fix it for 30 days? Huh? That curiosity is what is going to make people to buy. Just make sure the timeline is realistic, not clickbait. Here are a few more examples. Something like clean girl makeup for acne-prone skin, small bedroom organization ideas, how to start a social media marketing business, and how to potty train puppies. Once you have a solid idea, the next step is to validate your idea. This will save you months of frustration. You want to make sure that people are really interested in the topic. To validate, first check Amazon Kindle. Search for ebooks related to your idea. Look at the reviews. More reviews usually mean more demand. And don't just count them, read them. Reviews will tell you exactly what people like, what they hate, and what they wish the book included. That information will help you create a better ebook. Second, check Etsy. Search for similar digital products. Look at how creators are positioning the guide. What problem are they solving? How are they describing the transformation? If people are already buying similar products, that's a good sign. The goal here is not to copy anyone, it is to confirm that the demand already exists because creating demand from scratch is very hard. Serving existing demand is much easier. Now that you have an idea that is already validated and people are searching for, let's get into creating the ebook. And don't worry, you don't have to be a writer. We are going to use our good buddy ChatGPT to help us. Not to replace us, to help us. We are the one writing the ebook, but ChatGPT will do the heavy lifting. And the first step is to get clear on your goals and your reader. Ask yourself, what problem am I solving? Who exactly am I helping? And what result should the reader get after reading this ebook? Picture a real person reading your book. Imagine their age, imagine their struggles and what they want. You can even give them a name if it helps. This makes writing easier because you're not writing for everyone, you are writing for someone specific. Now, step 2 is to choose a strong title and a subtitle. Your title matters because it decides whether someone clicks or scrolls past. Keep it clear, benefit focused, short and easy to understand. An example of a good title is something like lose postpartum belly fat in 30 days without exercise. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you brainstorm several good titles and then choose the one that feels right for you. Step number 3 is to write an outline. But before writing anything, I want you to make a plan. Create chapter outline that shows what topic you will cover, the order they appear in, what problem each chapter solves. You can actually ask ChatGPT to generate an outline for you. Step number 4 is to write section by section using ChatGPT. Don't write the whole ebook at once. You write one section at a time. Take a chapter from your outline and ask ChatGPT to expand it into paragraphs. Once done, edit it so it sounds like you. Keep in mind that AI helps you start writing. You add your own voice, examples, tips, and stories. That's what makes it valuable. ChatGPT can help you break down hard parts, explain simple ideas, or suggest examples, but always add your own perspective. Step number 5 is review, improve, and edit. Once you've drafted all sections, go to your ebook again. Fix awkward sentences. Check if things make sense. Make sure it flows smoothly. You can even use ChatGPT to help you improve parts and make writing clearer. For example, paste the ebook on ChatGPT and ask it like, is it easy to understand? How can I make it better? This turns a rough draft into something people are willing to read and pay. The next step is packaging your ebook so people actually buy it. Even the best ebook won't sell if it looks cheap. Head to Canva and type ebook in the search bar. You'll see many templates. Choose a design that communicates the value and professionalism of your content. The template you choose becomes part of your marketing, so choose wisely. Once you have selected your template, carefully copy and paste your content into the design. Pay attention to formatting, make sure your text is readable, and ensure that all your sections flow logically from page to page. Add any relevant images or graphics that support your content. You can find copyright-free images on Pixel. Now add your title to your Canva cover page, and when everything looks perfect, download your complete ebook as a PDF file and save your cover page separately as a high-quality JPEG image. You'll need both files for the selling process. So the PDF is obviously your product, but the JPEG cover image is what you'll use for marketing across different platforms. At this point, you have an ebook. Now, where do you sell it? My advice is Gumroad. But there are other options like Etsy. Personally, I've been selling on Gumroad because it's beginner friendly. The setup is not complicated and you don't have that tech headache. You just create an account, upload your ebook, set your price, and get a clean checkout page. But while there are many buyers and sellers on Gumroad, you still need to bring in traffic if you want to sell. My traffic comes from my small YouTube channel, but you can also get traffic from other social media channels or ads. You just need to create videos that solve small problems related to your ebook, share quick wins, tease deeper solutions, then casually mention your ebook. No hard selling. Keep creating content, link the benefits to the ebook, and start making sales. If you are not sure what kind of content to create, take your ebook, feed it to ChatGPT, and ask it to generate 30 content ideas that can help you make sales. And it doesn't end there. You can scale one ebook into a real business. Find another problem your audience have and offer a bigger solution. The ebook is just the entry point. From there, you can create a course, coaching, templates, and even membership. That's how a $15 ebook turns into hundreds or even thousands per customer. And that's exactly what I did. If you loved the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.